you are using Claude Code or just start using it, I got a great tip for you. You could activate Telegram notifications when you're working with Claude Code. I'll just show it in this example. Here's my Telegram screen. Hi, how are you doing? And I will get a Telegram message in my bot when, as you can see, when Claude is done with his message. I will show you in this short tutorial how you can set it up. You have to go to this website, 8mpl.com. Then you go to hooks, then you search for Telegram. And there are three options. What you have to do is you have to select one. You could add it to your stack, then it will be in your shopping cart, or just press view details, and you can copy this part and install it. If you never have worked with this before, it's on GitHub as well. And what you will have to do is you will have to install it first. So you could run, for example, analytics or latest chats. Then there will be an UI where you can see all your Claude Code chats. After you have done that, I will just copy the command, go to Claude Code. I already have it working, so I'm not sure what it will do, but I have it over here. So I run the command, as you can see, and then Claude will explain to me how I'm going to have to set it up. That's something I will show you. You have to go to Telegram, send a message to the bot folder with new bot, then choose a name for your bot. The name has to end with bot. The bot folder will give you a token. The token is something you have to keep for yourself. Copy the token that you got. Go to this website. Change this part, this small part, where you have to enter your token. A page will open where you have to do a couple of things. Go to your chatbot and just send a couple of messages to your bot. Then you will see, if you refresh that page, that your chat ID will appear. I'm working on a Mac, so I will have to go to my terminal, copy this whole part. I will paste it in the description of the video as well, so you can just copy it from there. You have to change your bot token here and your chat ID. Let me open it up. And your chat ID over here. Just enter it, and when you have sent it, your credentials have been saved. Don't do this in your project directory, because you won't be able to see the environment variables in your other projects. After that, you could try to see your credentials. If everything is working, just close this tab where you have installed Claude and start a new chat, and you will see that you will get messages. If you are facing any trouble, just let me know in the comment section, and I will try to help. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have a good one.